Hello friends, this is Jagbir Singh and today we are going to make the third video of our pipe cut list series. So if you haven't already watched previous two videos, then I will put the link of those two videos in the description and you can find them in the I button on the top right corner as well. So I request you just go there and watch these videos, because in those two videos I have explained what actually a pipe cut list is and what is spool drawing, why it is important for pipe fabrication, and in the second video I have shown how to get these add-in Victolic tool so that you can create a seamless uh, pipe cut list. So I will request you please go them and watch. And the second request I want to make is, like, whenever you watch my videos, I request you please like them. This is 1 in the midnight and I'm recording this video for the third time because I made mistake in my previous one. So I put lots of efforts to make these videos. So I will appreciate if you just give me your like on my videos, because it really helps me to reach more people through YouTube algorithms. And please subscribe so that you can keep on getting those videos about BIM, Revit MEP, Dynamo, Navisworks, etc. So now let's start the video. So this is my plant room, and now I just want to make a pipe cut list for all these pipes which are running in my plant room. So pipe cut list is a list of pipe spools, pipe segments, pipe fittings, pipe accessories, couplings, and all those things in terms of their number, their sizes, their length, and any information which I want to include in the cut list. So this cut list plays a vital role when you have to do pipe fabrication. So you can prefabricate those spools and you can cut them by the size and you can bring them on site and you can assemble while doing the installation. So it um, saves load of time and it automates the process and eliminate the chances of the error while we are doing the pipe fabrication. So now what we will do, so these are my two chillers and these are my pipes. So let's say I want to create a spool of this pipe or this pipe. So what I will do is, like I have already shown in my previous video, I'm going to use Victolic tool. So this is a very good tool which makes your process of cut list making very hassle free and very automated. So you can download loads of stuff from your Victolic tool. So in your uh, project maintenance, you can go and you can download all the pipe tags, your view templates and everything. So in transfer standard you can get all the view templates, viewports, schedules, legends, title block, annotation family. So you do not literally have to make any single thing of your own. It will provide you all the database, so you can simply select and you can download like this, and if you hit OK, it will bring the annotation families like this. So I have all those gray ones I have already downloaded, so I do not have to go there. So now what I will do is, like I will, so this is my plant room. So for that, to creating the pipe cut list, I have to create different views of a spool. So let's say I have this particular one. Let me show you this one. So this is one spool. So this is one spool which I have created. So what my pipe cut list will do, Victolic will give a unique number to each unique tag to each segment of the pipe, P01, 02, 03, and all these ones. And it will give a unique color as well, so that whenever you are preparing the drawing, so whenever anybody is going to cut the pipe, so it will cut according to this P1, and there will be a table which will tell what is the size, what is the material, and what is the length of this segment P1 and what is for the P2. So the pipe cutter will cut according to that and will mark P01 on this segment of pipe, and based on that mark it will be assembled on site. So this is already done. So what we will do is, like, we will create a different spool. So if I go back, so this one is that one which I have already done. So now let's go for this one. So what I will do is, like, let's go to this one and I have hidden all other pipe segments. So what I will do is like I will select this pipe segment and unhide it. Okay, so let's turn that off again. So now I do not want to see this one. So element hide, EH is the shortcut. So let's say, because to accommodate a view on one sheet, it is very difficult to accommodate the entire plant room. So what we will do, we will create two sheets. So one for that side and one for this side. So let's select this segment and element high. So what we will do, so this will be our one spool. Okay, so first thing what we have to do is, like whenever we are creating a 3D view, you have to in Victolic you must have to lock the orientation of the view. So now I am into isometric, or whatever the orientation I want to change, I can change. So because otherwise it will not uh, tag the view. So now here you can go and save the orientation. Yes. So now what I will do is, now automatically this if I have to show you in this one, you can see the appearance and everything is different over here, and everything over here is a bit different. So what is the change here? So this is because of the view template. So well, I as already told you, in my project maintenance you can download all the templates which are customized by Victolic, so you do not have to worry about all the, so in, you see, view templates you can download. So now let me apply a view template on this particular view. So if I go here and let's say Vic spooling view, if I apply, so it will change the appearance accordingly. But this is just to show you. So in my previous view it is already there, my view template is already with spooling view. So now I have to go to pipe tools. So now very important topic, which is very basic and very important right now. So whenever, why we create a cut list, because whenever in Revit what I can do is, like I can make a pipe of any size and any segment. Let's say I can make a pipe of 500 meter or 5 meter or 5000 meter, I can make it. But what happens actually when you have to procure a pipe from a supplier or manufacturer? So all the manufacturer, they make pipes into a particular length. They cannot make more than their standard length. So whenever I have to make a pipe run, let's say of 500 meter, then I have to join different pipe through couplings to make a pipe of 500 meters, or let's say 10,000 meter or 1000 meter, whatever it is. For example, for the pipelines of my petroleum pipelines or water pipeline. So you have to make the connections using couplings or by welding. So whenever you are doing a cut list, you have to specify to Victolic what is your maximum length of your pipe. So here you, my supplier can provide maximum pipe length of 5940 mm, and minimum is 80 meter 80 mm. So why 80 mm? So this is very good point. So whenever you have to join two pipes through coupling, not with the welding, whenever you have to join two pipes through coupling, then at least you need to provide a 80 mm of pipe segment to, in order to make the joint. So that's why my minimum is 80 mm. Okay, so you can change it by providing any number here, any, but my uh, maximum and minimum is according to the supplier. So now I have to split my pipe. So what it will do, now you see it doesn't have any coupling here. So let me split by length. So from this side I have to start cutting. So it haven't cut anything because they are less than 5940. So but now when I will click this pipe, you will see it automatically have splitted the pipe into 4 different segments, because this point is exactly 5940. So I have to join these two segments by a coupling. Same goes here, same goes here. And now if I click on this one as well, so let me do it again. Sometimes this does like that. Split by length. Again. Cancel. Let me do it again. Yeah, from that side it is cutting, because this one would be 5940 and reduced will be from this side. Okay, so now escape. Now what it did is like it automatically split it, but now is the time to automatically giving the tags. So now I'm going with start tagging. So my previous spool was starting finishing at 15, so it will pick from 15 onwards. So I will start tagging and I will click on this one. Now you see P15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and it will keep on going like this. I have to, let's say, escape here, split by length. Okay, escape, close. $23. Now let's go back to pipe tag. 4, 5, 6. So this way you can create the tags. So now you see it have created the tags, but the color code haven't been changed yet. So you have to make it a bit more representable. Okay, so now the color code is not like just anything which you can pick, like whether this color represents this spool or that spool. So now if I select my pipe, it tells that this pipe is in CHW return. Okay, so when I will go here, I have to select entire like this, and I have to go and filter out the pipe tags, mechanical equipment, so all related to pipes are there. And now you have to go and create an assembly. So what assembly is? Assembly is a group of pipe and related fixtures which is representing a spool, so it will treat it as one single entity. So I'm going to create, so it will automatically detect what system it is, and it will keep on giving number based on your previous assemblies. If I make a next assembly, it will be 15, 16, 17 like that. So let's make it. You can change the name and everything here as per like whatever you want to give a specific prefix or suffix or whatever it is. So I'm going with okay. So whenever you click outside, you will see this is as one spool. If you click, it will not select single pipe, it will click the entire assembly. Okay, so we are halfway through the pipe cut list. Now we have to produce a drawing with all these views. Now before we go there, I just want to make a request. If you want to learn Revit MEP, BIM, Dynamo and Navisworks from me, then you can contact me on my email here, and you just drop me email and I will contact back you and we can discuss further. So now let's go to the shop drawing. So now what I will do is I will again go in. Now create assembly and views. Assembly I have already created, so now we have to create the views. So now CHW flow 14 already detailed. That details says that we have already created the drawing. Now for CHWR, which I just did, haven't been detailed, so I have to take this one. Now you have to define a template. Now you have to define a template by based on which you want to create your drawing. So for your drawing also you can previously define a template, which view and whatever scale or whatever sheet and everything you can define, and then you can simply use that one. So let's say going with this one. So now this is my A0 sheet. So now if I use see here, this is my title block A0 and this is the cut list which it have made. So we have to make a certain changes into this one just to make it accommodatable in my sheet. So I'm going to add it and I'm going to bring all these ones closer, unjoin here and bring closer. Okay, so now I have to make it a bit more neat and clean. Now you see this one is for my butterfly wall. It is also providing the description, so which I do not need. I just want to know what is how many crane valve are there and what are their diameters. So let's say I just want to edit it. So you can edit the information based on your requirement, or you can type whatever you want to, drop a small note for the pipe fabricators or fitters, whatever you want to. Okay, so this one also I do not want to keep it like this. So now let's read this one. So it is telling me there are 22 Victolic coupling of 200 mm, 6 200 mm Victolic 90 elbows. So all these ones are there. Seated wall, cast iron check wall. So all these flanges and all their quantity number and everything is there. Now let's go to pipe. So now P15, which was our first pipe, is of diameter 200. There is one instance pipe and this is its schedule number, black steel material, all those things. And now this is its length 5708 391. So now you will not be able to find any pipe segment which is larger than or longer than 5940. Why? Because we have specified what is the maximum pipe length available to us. So it will not go beyond that. Okay, so 399. So all pipe lengths would be in between 80 mm minimum and 5940 maximum. So now I'm going to finish it. So now you have to make it arrange accordingly wherever you want to. So now you see this view I do not need, so I will going to delete it. So this is my plan view. I will bring it here on this corner, and what I will do is I will bring the title of the view. you can change the scale of the view, but it is okay because I'm not going to read it that much. Main view is my 3D view of the spool. So let's bring it here, and I want to make it more readable, so let's make it 50. So this is my Plantroom 3D view, the entire Plantroom. So let's bring its title. So it is there, it is a bit scattered all over the place. So let's bring it here, somewhere here. Okay. Okay. Now let's bring this view here, or let's say duplicate this with detailing, and this one is my CHWR. So rename it CHWR14. So let's close this and close this one as well. So in this sheet, let's bring it here. So I will bring it. So as I have to read this one more, so what I will do is, like, I will, let's say, make it 25. So it's up to you how bigger you want, how which one is your important. So it's clashing, so let's again make it 50 and make it available here. And just bring it somewhere here, and now you can see this is my CHWR 14. But now you see there is a strange thing here. You cannot find out which one is your CHWR 14 in this entire Plantroom. If it is very complex, then it will be difficult for you to find out. So you have to drop a tag in that one as well. So TG shortcut. So if you, so why it is not giving tag, as I already told you, that in order to place the tags, your 3D view must be locked into a orientation. So now this one is locked, so you can check it here. So now if I go tag, so this one is CHWR 14. So this way you can show to your like the pipe fabricators and fitters. So this is your spool drawing with all the pipe cut list available here. So this was my video. So I will be making more videos on in this series as well, and right now I'm working on my dynamo series, which will be coming after next week. So if you want to learn dynamo as well, so please subscribe and wait for that series. And if you want to learn directly from me, like in a class, you can contact me on my email address. And I'm also working on Navisworks 5T coordination, so that will also be coming into next month or so, hopefully. So this is Jagbir Singh signing off, and please request again, please like this video, it really helps me. Thank you.